Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and when the weather is really, really hot, I sometimes like to enjoy a refreshing cold coffee like these Nespresso varieties, Ice Forte and Ice Leggero. The Ice Forte makes more coffee, so it's great for those times when I want to enjoy a longer drink or I need a little more of that caffeine hit. I like to put it in my glass travel mug so I can enjoy it on the go or outside. This Ice Forte can be enjoyed as is, no problem, but I like to add a little touch of cream and a little bit of sugar. It is so cooling and refreshing. The Ice Leggero is an espresso coffee, and you get about the amount for 2 espresso shots. This pod makes a lighter style drink that is a little bit easier on caffeine and more milk forward. This is also a really invigorating drink, and I like the fact that it's a little bit more sustaining from the calories, protein, etc. that I get from whatever milk I use with it. Even though it has been really hot lately and we're actually just coming through a heat wave, I do not have to give up my coffee. Nespresso has given me options in the form of this Ice Forte and Ice Leggero pods. And that's my point of view.